Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Remember that if you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. One of the silver linings of the pandemic of the time since COVID first struck back in March 2020 is that I've got into the habit of meeting up with friends every now and then online. We have these kind of virtual Zoom pub meetups or drinks, often with friends who used to live in London but who now live in different cities, sometimes even in different countries. And I've been really enjoying these fairly regular meetups. Now, I knew that I was supposed to be having one of these meetings this week, and so this morning, I'm making this video on a Thursday, I emailed one of my friends asking what time tonight we were going to be meeting. He texted back saying, "What are you talking about? We all met up on Tuesday. We were wondering what had happened to you. We assumed that you must just have been busy or something." This was rather frustrating, as you can imagine, because like an idiot, I'd got my Thursdays and my Tuesdays mixed up. I texted back, "We must have got our wires crossed somewhere along the line." If people get their wires crossed, they get confused because they have different understandings of the same situation. And you often get your wires crossed with regard to days, Tuesday, Thursday, with regard to dates, or with regard to times. For example, I sometimes get messages from students of mine, particularly early on in courses, saying, "I'm online, it's 9 o'clock and no one's in the Zoom room. What's happened? Where's my class?" And I have to text back saying, "Yeah, you're in Moscow, okay? I'm in London. The class starts at 9 o'clock London time." They mail back, "I'm so sorry, I didn't really understand that bit. I got my wires crossed." If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm, which helps more people see it. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, I'd love to hear examples of any times you've got your wires crossed.